morning, everyone. It is a beautiful day in LA, like blue skies, sun's out, zero clouds. I'm thriving. I'm headed to an F45 workout right now. I have a very busy day today, lots of filming that I need to get done, and it's a very fun content project, and Alicia's gonna help me, so I figured I would just bring you guys along with me. So yeah, let's go work out. Okay, we did the workout. I am out of breath. It was extra hard today. I think I also just had like an extra hard time waking up this morning, so I'm just kind of moving slow over here. I'm quickly going to throw my hair up. I have a nail appointment right now. The video that I'm working on today is for a nail polish, and my nails are horrible right now, so I'm actually going to do something funny. I'm going to get gel extensions but not get any color put on them, and I'm going to like paint the nails myself in the video. That's the vision I have. That's what I think I'm going to do. So we're at the nail salon right now and we're going to get these fixed. I have to say though, I've had these for like almost a month now. They lasted so long. They're like way too long for me, but I hate to say it, but I'm like really liking the gel X extensions, just because they stay in so much better shape for so much longer. Like if these were my real nails, they would have broken by now, 100%. Ugh. Y'all, I'm tired. We have to get ready right now. I am going to be trying the new IT Cosmetics CC foundation. I've actually loved this stuff in the past. I ran out and just never repurchased it. Don't really know why, because I loved it. This stuff's the best because it's color correcting. It's a full coverage cream. It's anti-aging with a hydrating serum built into it. And it has a broad spectrum SPF 50, which I need. I am just so beyond pasty white right now. It's about that time of the year where like the sun's starting to peek out and like it felt so good all weekend, but I'm like too pale. I like let myself kind of sit in the sun a little bit this weekend, but like only for a short period of time, and then I like had to cover up and go inside because I was like, I will burn, and I will burn bad. The thing I loved about their CC cream is it's very full coverage without feeling like it's full coverage. It has SPF in it, so it smells light. It doesn't smell like a gross foundation. I got my nails done and I asked for no color, and you should have seen the look on the girl's face. She was like, what are we doing today? I was like, oh, we're doing some gel extensions. I was like, I want them really short and natural looking, and I also want no color. And she was just like, no color? She was so like flabbergasted by the no color comment. She was like, what do you mean no color? And I was like, oh, I just want them clear. Normally for something like this, I would just do my like bare nails, but my bare nails have been in rough shape since I broke them back in December. And then I've been using gel extensions ever since December. So my nails just aren't in like prime condition. Also guys, I'm obsessed with this Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewy Flush. I actually really like it a lot. I've been using it nonstop and I'm a big fan. Look at that, it's beautiful. It's so natural. Alicia's had a lot going on lately, so I told her that I would come to her and we could just film in one of her spare bathrooms. And I told her I would treat her to coffee. Okay, in a wild turn of events, we are going with a ponytail instead of a clip. I just feel like it'll be way more secure that way, and I won't have to worry about it all day long. I have yet to do like any kind of clip hairdo, any kind, where I don't have to like redo my hair multiple times throughout the day. So if you have a clip that you recommend for that, or if you just recommend doing like a pony and then putting a clip over it, like let me know, because I'm doing something wrong. And we got Alicia in the car. I think I'm gonna do a cold brew. I think I need a little extra a little oomph. A little oomph. You put yours in already?
Yeah. I was just telling Ashley that this reminds me of old YouTube, especially because it's hot out right now and we're like trying to film content
without sweating
for each other in the car, and like we're blasting the AC and then we're turning it off.
I literally told them this morning while I was getting ready, I was like, doing the Dunkin' thing was so fun and nostalgic for me that I was like, I want to do the same thing with this one.
No, I totally agree. And this is me trying to like get out of the shot.
Yeah.
Oh, I knew it was zoomed. I was like, since when has it been so close?
I have the phone like mounted on my rear view mirror and it's working. Alicia's not in the shot, but like you guys know she's in the shot.
Yeah, so when you guys watch her reel, comment, I know where Alicia's at.
I know Alicia's there. I'm gonna do this hand fully and then you can take it and be like creative.
Okay. We might need some.
I know, we can also crack this.
I'm like, it was gonna smell. Your head is in it. I don't know if you care or if you're just gonna zoom in. Ooh, yeah. Cute color.
Apparently it's a one-step gel polish.
Oh, nice.
I'll probably have to do 2 coats, but...
Remember, it's better to kind of have more, so there's, you know.
Yeah, I'll do a second coat.
Cool, I think cut.
Okay.
And finish that hand once, because the close-ups, you're gonna want it to like look the best it can.
Yeah. I might have to have you do my left hand.
Okay. Right one.
Or my right hand. Okay, do you want to do my right hand?
Girlhood.
This is the most girlhood thing.
I don't think I've ever painted your nails.
You definitely have. It's just been a long time.
Yeah, when we were 8.
I'm like,
I can't remember.
Been a long time.
Imagine someone walking by and they're like, what in the...
I think like less strokes. Try to do like one smooth one.
That's what I tried. It's giving COVID.
It's giving COVID. We are doing For the Color.
Dakota, right?
Dakota. It's like a baby pink color. I feel like I've been really just doing nudes, like pink nudes. So this just felt like very true to me. But they had a really pretty like red brown that I was like, ooh.
The darker one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I liked that one a lot.
Oh, okay, we're going to die. Chloe May, get over here. Chloe May. She walked right past us. Get over here. Get over here, my honey. I got both my girls here. Today's video sponsor is not about me. It's about them. Actually, I feel like you guys need to see them because, again, this is about them. Today's video is sponsored by Maeve. I am sure that you guys are well aware, especially if you followed me on this channel for 10 years, that I am obsessed with dogs, specifically my dogs. I grew up in a very dog-friendly home, and I plan on continuing to have a dog-friendly home for the rest of my life. These little nuggets bring so much joy into our home. We love both of our girls so much, and I only want what's best for them, and I just want them to be healthy, and I want them to live their best life, and I want that to be a very long life, and that means I have to be aware of like what I'm feeding them, and I have to make sure they're getting their vitamins, their minerals, good sourced protein, and of course all the love and cuddles. The difference between dog food and Maeve is that Maeve is human grade. Maeve is completely frozen whole food. It is so clean, so natural for your dog, which makes sense. If I claim my dogs to be my children, then like why would I feed them anything less than what I would eat? It cannot last on your counter because food shouldn't. For the last like roughly 2 weeks, I have been slowly switching out Chloe's old food with her new Maeve food. And I've been watching Rosie a lot, so I have also been changing her food out as well. And their faces when they tried the new food was outrageous. Rosie has literally started like drooling, dripping drool while she's waiting for me to prepare her food. I was a little worried at first that it might be too cold for them, but Chloe is one of the pickiest eaters on the planet. She hasn't left a single bite of it once. And that says a lot. Rosie, on the other hand, will eat literally anything. So treat your dogs right and get them Maeve today. Click the link in my description box or scan the QR code wherever I have it and use code Ashley for 20% off your first order. That's ASHLEY for 20% off your first order. And get your dogs food that they deserve because they deserve it. Back to the vlog. Okay, I was just doing some unboxings and I had a revelation and I'm mortified by it. I completely forgot to continue the giveaways. Like, oh my God. Somehow I've gone 5 videos without even announcing the winner of the Josie Marin giveaway, let alone like continuing the giveaways like I said I was going to do. So deepest apologies for that. Remember this? This was the giveaway that I announced forever ago and said I would choose one of you guys to give this to. So without further ado, the winner of the Josie Marin giveaway is Scottlynm. That's SCOTTLYN, like Scotland, and then the letter M at the end. You are the winner of the Josie Marin giveaway. I'm going to respond to your comment in the original video and ask you to like email me your information so that I can get this shipped out to you ASAP, like ASAP. Again, I'm so sorry, you guys, for taking so long to do that. Now on to the next thing. This is a Summer Fridays birthday cake lip balm. And this, in my opinion, is some of the best lip balm on the market. I know that it is talked about constantly. I know that influencers have probably just been like shoving this in your face. I cannot say this enough. This is like so worth the hype in my opinion. So I decided to give you guys this one. This is a brand new birthday cake lip balm by Summer Fridays. This is their shimmery lip balm and it smells just like birthday cake. I have one and I'm obsessed with it. It's a very subtle shimmer, so don't get too, worried about the shimmer. It's a very natural shimmer. This is going to go to one of you guys. And for the giveaway, all you have to do is comment your favorite birthday cake flavor in the comments below and I'll pick one of you guys to win this. Again, I am so sorry that I just completely dropped the giveaway ball. We're gonna get back on top of it. So yeah, congrats to Scottlynm and comment below if you want to try to win this. You guys, it is 6 p.m. and Alicia and I just finished filming. I look bald. This blue is crazy. I'm in the elevator. I'm so tired. I don't know why I was moving so slow. The camera ended up dying, so that's why we didn't finish vlogging, but I think it looks good. I think Jax and I are gonna go to dinner, so I'm excited about that.